Scrappers. This is Marcy Worrell, your local close to my heart consultant. I'm here in Georgia right now. I got my new toy today. I finally had to make a decision. Did I want to get the Cricut Maker, which of course has been out for quite some time, or did I want to go ahead and get the new Cricut Joy? And it was kind of a toss-up. I have several other Cricuts. I have the early first one. I have the Baby Bug, of course. I have the Create. I have the Expressions. I have two Cricut Air. One is an Air 1, which is actually here on my desktop right here. And I have a Cricut Air 2 that I have at my home in Japan. And so, and then I have some other machines by other companies as well. So I wanted to really, when I tried to make the decision, I wanted to make sure that my money was well spent. So I decided to go ahead and get the Cricut Joy, which arrived today. So I'm super excited. I could not wait for it to get here. So I'm going to open it with you on camera. I'm going to probably play with it when I finish this film, and then I'll probably do a little bit of a product review from my first experience with it. I may even videotape that too, but I did want to do the unpacking with you just for the fun of it. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're probably not going to see much of my face in the shot. It's more going to be more so the box. That way you can kind of see all of it on camera. So let's go ahead and open this on up. And I was actually glad that it stopped raining when it did, because it was pouring here, and the UPS gentleman pulled up like right as the rain had just stopped. So I was super excited that he did not have to get out in the rain. Okay, so the particular set that I got is actually a bundle. And you can purchase them separately. You can purchase them in some bundles. You can buy accessories and that type of thing. This particular one I got was in the bundle. They do have, I know, on the Cricut website, different promos as well. If you choose to use my affiliate link through Close to My Heart, I do get a small percentage of it, and it doesn't cost you anything extra, and they have some really great deals too. But pretty much anything that I show you here should also be on the Cricut.com website as well. And I will put that link for my affiliate link in the description below. Okay, so to start off, the first things coming out of the box here, oh, and it got a little bent, but that's okay. We'll flatten it back out. Is the standard grip mat. So, of course, it is a 12-inch. It's a 4.5 by 12 inches that comes with the machine. And from my understanding, there's different sizes and different types of adhesive, just like with the regular Cricut mats. You have the light grip. You have the standard, from what I could tell online. Also in here, we have the Smart Iron-On. Pink Rose is the color. Okay, so you have that. There is the Smart Iron-On in white. There is, looks like a sampler of 5 different colors. This is the Smart Vinyl, the removable vinyl. And it looks like it has petal, coral, mint, teal, and lavender. And I'll hold those up so you can kind of see the colors a little closer. And those are some really pretty spring colors. You have in here a Cricut Joy blade. So, of course, from my understanding, all of the blades only work with Cricut Joy. So it has to, from the way it was explained to me, is you have to have this. Now, I could be wrong. If someone else has found out that that's not the case, please do let me know. But from the way I understood it online, from what I read, is you can only use the Cricut Joy blades in the Cricut Joy, which is okay, because I mean, I keep a ton of blades on hand for the regular Cricuts, but if I can only use those on the others, that's fine. I can buy more. That's not a big deal. Okay, so let's take out the actual machine. Let's see. And sorry if my kids are in the background making a bunch of noise. Even though they knew that I was getting ready to film, they still felt the need to be at the door fussing. So they are evidently arguing outside of the door. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I have to say, this is packaged very well. They definitely are making sure that it got here safely. I will say that. But yeah, so I'm super excited to get started with this. there were a couple things about the machine that I was not super fond of, which is why I kind of held off. I wanted to kind of see what other people thought before I got it and try to decide if some of those features that I'm used to having with the other Cricuts would bother me not having them with this. So I kind of held on, but like I said, I decided to go ahead and bite the bullet and go ahead and get it. All right, so this is the packaging. So it says Cricut Joy, your DIY best friend. Top has a couple of items that you could possibly